Hey, welcome back to Life Unhindered. Wanted to bring you along for a little bit of a DIY project today and how we organized our mudroom. We utilized a technique called French cleats. Two reasons we utilize that is number one, the versatility, and number two, the cost. Super easy and super affordable. What you do is you take some slats like this here, and you're going to run them through a table saw or even a circular saw at a 45-degree angle. So if I take this board here, you can see if I make my table saw go up, you'll see that I already have it at a 45-degree angle. And just imagine that this piece right here wasn't yet cut, and you just ran this through your table saw this way, and this is going to produce this 45-degree angle here. So after you do that, you actually have two pieces each having a 45-degree angle. So how this works is if you put this here, and imagine that this is the wall. This is your first piece of wood cut at a 45-degree angle. And then you have a corresponding piece here that would attach to a shelf of some sort. And all you need to do is slide these in here, and you'll see this friction fit here where the two 45-degree angles come together. And that's all you actually need to do to have your storage hang on the shelf. So after we went ahead and cut these boards down on the table saw, we had this slated for an interior wall, so we wanted to make it look nice. So we put a nice dark brown stain on it, as well as this nice clear coat finish. So you can imagine that this piece here is attached to the wall. So you screw it in this way via studs, and you can put whatever kind of storage mechanism you want going down into the 45 like I showed previously. What we did in this project, we did a couple of different storage things for the mudroom. The first one here is this coat rack here. So if you look close, you can see that the adjacent, or the 45-degree angle is back here, and you can imagine if this piece was on the wall, it would just slide in right there, and that's all you have to do. That's just a friction fit, no other screws necessary. So if I show you the comment earlier about versatility, you can imagine if this was on the wall, you have your coats coming down here, you could have it here, or if you wanted to move this for a different configuration, you can simply just slide it over here just like that. Now this piece here is actually very simple. The 45-degree angle was cut on the table saw with a single pass, and then this piece here is nothing more than a 3/4 inch piece of plywood, and we use the table saw as well to cut these beveled edges on all four sides. To round it off, we got these hooks, kind of aftermarket hooks via Amazon, and we just screwed them on here to give us a versatile coat hook. The last piece that we actually use, again, highlighting the versatility of the French cleat system, is this shelving unit here. It gives you some idea of how you can utilize the French cleat. And so this is just basically a box on all four sides, but the key, if you can see in the back here, is another French cleat, the 45-degree angle here. I can kind of show you how this looks. If you imagine this being on the wall, you can just slide that in there like that, and that's the entire shelving unit is good to go.